Hi, I am so glad you're here because on today's tutorial, we're going to make something that's going to improve your neck. Like if you have a really stiff neck, this is also a great gift, especially for guys, because we're always trying to figure out what type of gifts should we give to guys. And Father's Day is coming up. We're going to be making just a small travel pillow. That's what makes it a good gift. And I'm going to show you the stuffing that we're going to use. This is actually something that you purchase from Amazon. It's called an Adoric pillow, and I'll put the window should come up here. Okay, so you can buy it off of Amazon and see it says like Andoric, and then it comes with all of the stuffing, and it comes with this pillow, and you can unzip it and customize the fluffiness because a lot of people like fluffy pillows. I cannot do a fluffy pillow. Mine's are more flat. Let's get a close-up of this filling so that they can see. So this is what the stuffing looks like inside, and they give you a lot of stuffing. And so it with just one purchase of this box, it came with, the pillowcase and enough stuffing to fill one. And then I already made 2 travel pillows. I can probably make 3 pillows with the stuffing. I still have all of this stuffing left, and this is just from one order. So what I love about this is you can shape it however you want. I used to try those down pillows, but it would just suffocate me because it'd come around on the sides. But this one, you can actually shape it for your neck. You can dig into it to where it's flat in the middle if you need. See, it is just the best pillow. I don't have any more back issues or neck issues. I actually thought I needed a new mattress, but when I got this, my neck improved. And whenever I like something so much, I always advertise it, tell everybody about it. And so I do have an affiliate link in my descriptions if you want to get one yourself. Because I loved it so much, I made a travel one, like a sample size, so that my sister-in-law could try it out. And my nephew always steals that from her. So it's his birthday, so I'm going to make him a travel pillow of his own. Okay, so let me clear this stuff out of the way, and I'll show you what you're going to need for this project. What? Oh yeah, and then this is my new shirt. I really love sewing, so I just thought that was kind of fun. And by the way, I actually have someone here helping me today because I think it just kind of relaxes me. Because if you've seen my last videos, which actually don't see my last videos, whatever you do, do not click on my previous videos. What? I'm using, okay, I'm kind of trying to use reverse psychology. Okay, moving on, back to the pillow. The measurements are going to be about 11.5 by 21 inches. And then see how this pillow is. It's lumpy from the filling. So I'm going to use a fleece material, and then the pillowcase is going to be a cotton material. So I just recommend that you use fleece, and then you're going to need a zipper and then fabric for your pillowcase. All my cotton fabric I buy off of Etsy sellers, so if you sell fabric, just make a comment below and I would love to look at your shop. Or if you have a fabric shop that you shop at, put that in the comments below too, because I'm always looking for new beautiful fabrics. And then, in fact, where is my travel pillow so we can show them what it looks like? Okay, so this is what we're going to make, so let's go ahead and get started.
Cut 2 pieces 13 by 19 inches. Put your zipper down and we're going to mark some areas. With some pins or a marker, just mark the edges of the zipper on each side. And now we're going to sew the fleece in place. Sew at a 2.5 stitch length right here and back stitch when you get to the pin. Then lengthen your stitch length to about a 4. And then just keep stitching until you get to the next marker or pin. And then adjust your stitch length back to 2.5. Now press the seams open and go ahead and pin your zipper down on the seam. Your zipper is going to be face down and we're going to pin it in place, and then we are going to unstitch the stitches where the zipper should be. So I slightly changed my mind with the method of putting this zipper in place. I'm going to sew the top of the zipper and the bottom of the zipper, and then I'll just unstitch it, and you'll see where I'm going with this. The way I've seen this method work in the past is they sew, right along there, and then they unpick it. I'm gonna unpick mine now, and then I can top stitch it. That way I can see what I'm doing. This is the first time I'm trying this method, so I might not know what I'm doing. But go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you're still watching. I'm already thinking that I should have just went with the more traditional method. I do have a zipper foot, but I rarely use it because my needle will go all the way to the left. And right here we have quite a few, it's like a family of pins. Okay, now we will need to stop when we get right here with the needle down and zip that further down so that you can continue sewing. So far this method is turning out okay because I would have had to have done the top stitch anyways. I'm also sewing with fleece, so I'm sure a cotton material would be a lot easier. Oh, my needle just got stuck. What is going on there? Okay, so my needle broke because it went into the middle part of the zipper, but we got it fixed and it's okay now. So here it is. It turned out nice, but I think next time I'll just stick with the traditional method. Okay, so we have the wrong side of the zipper showing, and we're going to sew around all 3 corners. And I'm using a 1/2 inch seam allowance, and just make sure that you backstitch when you begin. I'm actually having a really hard time feeding this through my machine, so I'm going to switch to my walking foot. Okay, this is much better. So just go ahead and sew around all 3 sides. Now turn the right sides out. And now you should have a cozy pillowcase with a zipper. Okay, now the fun part, we're going to go ahead and fill it up. Now we will work on the pillowcase. Lay your fabric down as shown and cut it 12 1/4 inches wide. And now we will sew down the 2 sides. If you don't have a serger, then use pinking shears to finish off the edges or do a zigzag stitch. Finishing the edges will prevent any fraying when it gets washed. If you have a cute handmade label, you can go ahead and add that now. I'm just going to put mine right here at the edge. Now all we have to do is hem it. You can do a double fold hem if you'd like. Since my edges are serged, I just folded it over once to finish off the edges. And now iron it. Turn the right sides out. And now you have a pillowcase. Okay, so now let's put it on our fluffy pillow. By the way, if you're looking for a random act of kindness, go ahead and click on the subscribe button because it really helps out my channel.
Okay, love it, not bad, look at that. And now you've got a really cute travel pillow, but it's not just any pillow, it's such a super comfy pillow. Now make sure that you give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. Make sure that you pick up a pillow. I have the link in the description tab below because this is not like any other pillow. They can fluff it up or fluff it out or whatever they want. So I'm gonna go take a nap on my new pillow.